You don't always have to drive all the way to Spintex to buy your home and deco needs. Right next to Kasoa, you can buy right from Deco Zone. Welcome to Deco Zone. Oh wow, this place is actually way bigger than I thought. Look at all these beautiful decor pieces. So nice. Let's go meet the creative director of Deco Zone. Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Wow. I love this place.
And I love your content. I love what you're doing for Kasoa.
Thank you. Before we get into anything, could you tell us who you are?
Yep. So my name is Anita Okorie, and I'm the creative lead here at Deco Zone. And I love everything deco. So that's why you see this. Yes, I'm a passionate entrepreneur and interior decorator.
And it seems like you're doing an amazing job because this place is fantastic.
Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here.
Thank you. Yes. Lovely. Can you take us around this place?
Yes, certainly. Yes. So what did you see downstairs? Did you get to see?
Yeah, I saw some setups with your bed, your bedroom setup. I saw some living room setups. It's beautiful. So you sell all that furniture?
Everything in here, everything that has been tagged is for sale. So that's production from No Jack. That's our other company. So we make all those here, the beds, the kitchens, everything you saw there. And then all the accessories are also for sale as well.
That's lovely.
Certainly. So I don't know if you knew us before this space. We've been around for about 8 years now. We're heading to our 8th year. And as I said, when it comes to decor, that's everything that I'm passionate about. So we built this in this area to sort of initially service the people in the region, because we moved here and we couldn't find anything like this in the community. We had to travel all the time to the East Lagos, the Spintex to find beautiful pieces. So for someone who has been in business for a long time, I said, why not venture into this? And this is what God has done.
It's amazing. This isn't right in Kasoa, but it's right next to Kasoa. Would you say it's been good? Do you think you'd have done better if you were outside this area?
No, well, this is where I am. I actually live not too far from here. That's my community, and I believe I'm an advocate for decentralization.
Yes.
So I believe that wherever you find yourself, you can build there. So this is where God placed us, and I believe we can build something here. That's why we actually decided to stay here in Kasoa and build what you're doing here now.
Awesome. I love that. Okay, let's take a little
So when you come to Deco Zone, as I said earlier, at the when you enter, you get to, there's a cafe there. Where you can get some pastries, and then there's the setups there as well. And then there's the retail section of the space. So gifting to plates, to decor pieces, to fragrances, humidifiers, anything at all that you can think of that will make your space, I mean,
look and smell
add life to it. Yes.
I smell it's a candle. I smell all the candles.
If you're into fragrances, you definitely have to be here. And we have a very, very wide collection of them as well. We also have, if you take a look, we've actually put the signage there. We have kitchen and bathroom accessories. So everything you need for the kitchen, for serving your guests, for the fridge, we have them here. Yes, storage containers, and as I said, decor pieces. So as you walk in here, you find there's a retail section, as I said. So all the pieces that you need for your spaces, you'll find them in here.
Do you find that a lot of people from the community are coming here to buy stuff, or most people are coming from outside Kasoa?
So I started off by saying that, I mean, when we moved here, we were finding it difficult to find beautiful pieces for our home around here, and it's still a challenge.
It's a challenge.
But what we realized is that what we initially set out to do to service the community has gone beyond that, because we do attract more people from outside Kasoa. So we leverage highly on social media. So we do a lot of deliveries nationwide.
That's awesome.
Yes, nationwide. And definitely also we have people who live around here coming in, but we have people coming in from Dowenya, from Spintex, from Tema. Look, when we opened, we had a client who had actually been following us, who came all the way from Tamale.
Oh my goodness. That's amazing.
If that's not a blessing, then we are right here in Kasoa.
Kasoa, right? I just love that. And I mean, that's one of the things I've been preaching, right?
Yeah.
The fact that your business is in Kasoa doesn't mean people from outside Kasoa can patronize. They can definitely patronize. And I love that you are doing this and exporting it out to different parts of Ghana. That's amazing.
Even outside of Ghana.
Even outside. Amazing.
Right here, we have been able to attract customers. Maybe Gambia, Sierra Leone, Liberia.
Wow. That's so impressive. It's impressive.
Yes.
So if you have any message to give to people out there that have a negative impression about Kasoa or doing business in Kasoa, what would that be?
Look, as I said, the first thing is that wherever you find yourself, you can build there. And look, Kasoa isn't bad. It's a nice community, it's a nice place. And I love that you can, the space. I love that about this area. So if you're in any area at all in Ghana, for me, I feel that decentralization is so important.
It is.
If you're able to have, hospitals, a bit of whatever is in town or whatever people rush into town for, if we are all able to have a bit of it in our communities, it won't be as choked.
No, it won't be.
Yes, it won't be as choked. So whatever you find yourself doing, make sure that you settle and do it right where you are in your community, and it will definitely attract people even from beyond where you are.
That's amazing.
So don't hold back. Spread out, open up. Thank you for coming, and thank you for advocating for the community. It's so important.
It is.
And I love what you're doing.
Thank you. So you see, you don't need to go all the way to Accra to get everything that you need. You can find everything right here at Deco Zone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am Mami Sika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace, I'm out.